Hello everyone. This is a recording, it's a voiceover for this particular video. I've got to speak for 10 minutes and 25 seconds, excuse me, if I'm to fill up the silences, but I'm going to try my best. First of all, I'll explain this video took me, not this video. What's happened is I made a video and the whole damn thing turned out to be corrupted files, whatever that means. I think it means I split it into too many parts and Microsoft video editing just couldn't cope with it. So after 2.5 hours I had made a 1 hour 10 minutes worth of recording. I'd made it into a 24-minute video, edited video. I'd done sort of the comments in it, you know, added bits, removed bits, and I thought, oh, that's quite nice. I sorted that out and went to do what they say after you've done all your editing. It says import video, so I clicked on that and waited about half an hour as it began to upload, and then it stopped uploading. I gave it another 20 minutes or so, but nothing happened, so I thought I'll try again, and so I deleted the file and then put it back on again. Confusing myself now. Put it back on again, nothing happened. Tried it again another half hour later, nothing happened. And then I saw this thing came up. This file is corrupted. Every file I'd put on was corrupted. No idea why, it didn't tell you why, but I suspect I'd made too many splits in it. I might not have done. That's just my interpretation of events. So in the end, I thought, sod it. I'm just going to put the whole damn video up. I'm going to put it up at 1 hour. It's about 1 hour 17 minutes of video recording. I'll put the whole thing up, and I made little titles for it so that you'd know exactly what's going on, explaining about the files being corrupted and what have you. And I did all that, and then just as I was about to no, I'm going ahead of myself. That wouldn't load. It wouldn't load, and it wouldn't load, and it wouldn't load. And what the hell happened then? I can't remember. This was all last night and early morning. I'd been editing and trying to do this thing for 6 or 7 hours, would you believe? Oh, and eventually it did start to upload, and that took several hours, about 4 hours, for that to upload. While it was uploading, I watched a couple of films on Amazon Prime. One of the films was about a cowboy who robbed stagecoaches. I don't know what it's called. It might have been called Country Jack. Anyway, it was a cheaply made film. I suppose it held my interest. There were horses in it. I like horses. I watched that, and then there was another film, and I was just about to say I can't remember what the hell that was about at all. And then I remembered. I can't remember the title of it, but it was quite a boring film, actually. no action in it at all. It was about it's about two brothers, one of whom owed several $1,000s to the moneylender. His life was in danger. He was going to be killed. I don't quite know how being killed solves the moneylender's problem of not getting his money, but that was the premise of the film. As I say, it wasn't that great, but I persevered and watched it all the way through. And I had a couple of glasses of whiskey, a couple of wee drams, smoked my pipe in the interim while I waited for this long video to upload. And what happened? Yeah, so anyway, I got that and it uploaded, and then I remembered there was a scene in it where I was at the co-op and the camera was actually pointed towards me and you could see what was behind me, and I was in the co-op just parked there getting ready to move off, and there was a mother and her child waiting at the bus stop. The mum was in at her wit's end, I would say, with this child who wanted to go to the park. And it was a horrid little child, and it kept kicking her, punching her. She would chase after it, swinging her handbag at the child, and there was lots of shouting about it. I've actually got it, still got it on a video. I was going to do, and I thought I'd better delete that, I better not put that in. And there was another thing where I was at a place where they don't want me to, where I'm not supposed to film, or that, well, I mean, it's a private place and they don't like me filming. So I thought, well, I'd better edit that out. I'd better edit those two things out, which was easier said than done. So I couldn't do that, and so what I've ended up doing is, this is just this video that you're now watching while I'm talking is just part of that long riding session I had that day, which is very nice on my Sportster. So hopefully I'm going to be able to put this audio recording on top of that, because I'm not talking much in it. I talk a little bit towards the end. So what I'm going to do is put all the video I recorded that day. That was on a Friday, I think. I lost a day sometime during the week because I thought it was Saturday. I thought it was Friday. I went to see Andy at Legends, and it was quite busy there, and I couldn't understand what was going on. And then I was talking to Nick, and he's the mechanic, and he said he was tired. He'd been up since 5 o'clock. I said, why are we getting up so early on a Friday? I said, well, it's not Friday, John, it's Saturday, and I was working at the carpet. So I'd lost Friday. Friday I had actually remembered what I'd done on Friday. I'd done a bit more to my shed, put a couple of joists, rafters in, and then got fed up. And so then I went in my studio and I finished that commission I've been doing that's been giving me Jim. So that's the story of all that's happened that day. So yes, I'm going to just upload all those videos. I'm going to upload them all singly. This will be part 1 of it. You can watch it if you want to. If you don't want to watch it, that's fair enough. But yeah, it's just me riding around on my Sportster and having a thoroughly lovely time doing it. So I've got about 33 seconds left to talk. So hopefully this recording I've done will work out all right, and I'll be able to put it onto the first part of the video, part one, and because I'm talking, it won't be so boring for you. Oh, and towards the end of it, I do meet a horse, and that will be just when this little what I'm talking about now ends. So I'll see you then. Here's the alarm.
I'll stop for this horsey. Oh, it's a pleasure. I've had a horse. I've done me 4 miles an hour. Yeah. Okay, love. Oh yeah, I used to have a horse. I used to ride it around here. He was a big old cart horse, and I also had I used to harness him to the cart as well. And we all used to go for a ride on him, on the cart, down to the pub. 4 miles an hour. Lovely days. Lovely horse. Bomb-proof. Oh, going through the floods. It's getting worse here. Like a river. Got to be because they built on the floodplain. Look, these are all new houses here. Nature will find a way to escape. Come back this way and get fuel. I'm not sure. I think I've got plenty. I think that speedometer says 27.8 miles. I think I changed it when I last filled up. So I should have plenty of fuel. Not that I'm going anywhere as usual. I'm just riding around, enjoying myself on my iron horse.